a rainy morning ride with the Fascio Club Philippines Marikina Rizal chapter.
Good morning, everyone. It's 5:30 a.m. and we will have a ride out together with the Fascio Philippines. Hello and good morning. So I think we arrived early at Elbon sa may Marcos Highway. So wala pa mga kasama natin, so mag-antay muna tayo.
At this point, it started to rain really hard.
Guys, dito na tayo sa Crosswinds Cafe. Dito na kami lahat. Sobrang ulan, basang-basa kami ngayon lahat sa ulan. Saya naman.